Before we dive into today's EA, you can download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are reviewing the Rixa EA for MT5. This is a multi-strategy gold system focused on support and resistance level breakouts. So let's break down the claims and look at the backtest. As you can see, the EA goes for $245 and from the MKO5 page, if we expand this, you can see that Rixa is described as a fully automated, multifaceted, open expert advisor designed for gold. The developer explicitly states it is not grid, not martingale, not AI, not neural network, and not machine learning. It uses 5 different strategies running simultaneously across H4, daily, and hourly timeframes to identify strong movements and breakdowns of major support and resistance levels on XAUSD. Each position is said to carry multiple fixed take profit levels ranging from roughly 2,000 to 15,000 points, combined with a relatively low stop loss and virtual profit tracking that remains hidden from the broker. There's a smart time filter for Monday mornings, ATR plus RSI filters for entries, news protection for high impact events, and adaptive behavior to broker conditions such as spreads and slippage. Optionally, the algorithm can add positions during drawdown. As for the features marketed by the developer, the key features include the multi-time frame level breakouts approach, fixed multi-TP structure with virtual tracking, ATR and RSI filters, news and time filters, open parameters for user optimization, adaptive lot sizing, and support for 10 HLC or 1 OHLC testing mode. The default settings are for one chart of XAUSD or gold on the 4-hour time frame, as you can see. All right, the minimum deposits is listed from around $700. The developer emphasizes that the system is open rather than a closed black box and offers personal installation help. Okay, so the developer provided some screenshots, you can see. It's having a hard time coming up, but basically, they're those screenshots that show how it appears on the charts or when in use. I was opportune to carry out my own personal back tests, so I could actually confirm how well the EA does what the developer claims it does. So let's quickly go over to MT5 so I can share my backtest with you. So as you can see, I have it installed. I use the recommended pair, the XAUSD, on the recommended time frame as well, the 4-hour time frame for a custom period of 1 year, ranging from the 1st of April 2025 to the 1st of April 2026. For an initial deposit of $10,000, you can see the equity curve shows strong overall growth with net profits exceeding $121,000 and a profit factor of 2.56. The balance drawdown was 8.11%. However, the history quality is only 24%, which is a significant red flag for modeling reliability. Low history quality means the test results may not accurately reflect real tick behavior, spreads, or slippage. The multi-TP and virtual tracking design aims to capture large gold moves while keeping the stop relatively tight. The simultaneous multi-time frame strategies try to increase the chance of catching strong level breaks. The optional additional positions during drawdown introduce a recovery element that, while not classic martingale, still increases exposure while the market moves against the initial trade. Now let's go back to the site. Honestly, the features that matter most are the open parameters for optimization, the news and time filters, conservative risk sizing, and careful evaluation of any recovery options. Strong published growth must be weighed against the incomplete history quality and inherent volatility of gold level breakouts. As for the nuances, implications, and hidden risks, low history quality reduces confidence in the backtest numbers. Gold can produce false breaks and sharp reversals. Optional additional positions during drawdown increase risks. Spreads, slippage, and news gaps remain critical. In practice, start with the lowest risk settings, disable or strictly limit any recovery features, use a quality raw spread broker and VPS, and verify performance with higher quality modeling. Past results never guarantee future performance. As for who is for and who should avoid it, this may suit experienced gold traders who understand level breakout systems, are comfortable with multi-TP management, and are willing to optimize and monitor closely. You should probably avoid this one if you prefer pure single entry systems with no recovery elements, want very high modeling quality confirmation, or have a small account that cannot absorb double digit drawdowns. Beginners should approach with caution. Overall, Rixa EA is a multi-strategy gold level breakout system with fixed multi-TPs, virtual tracking, and open parameters. The shared backtest showed strong growth but with low history quality and meaningful drawdown. Independent verification with realistic conditions and conservative risks are essential. Always trade with money you can afford to lose. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA to cover next. Don't forget to grab that free Forex button in the description too. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.